Hi everyone, I'm here to tell you about my tool number 1. Pretty amazing tool. It's called PhET Interactive Science Simulations. Here it is. There are a variety of interactive science and math simulations, and I'm going to show you one. And it actually earned 18 points on the triple E scale. So I want to show you right away why it's so engaging and why it enhances the learning goals and why it extends the learning goals. So here we go. I'm going to show you the gas properties simulation, and sure enough, right away you see it invites the learner. It invites the learner to interact with the simulation. What you have to do is you have to pump the handle, you have to try something, and you have to see what happens. What happens when you add 144 heavy particles? Well, you notice some things are happening. The pressure is going up. This is actually a pressure gauge, this is a temperature gauge. And you can actually, this simulation actually makes it easier to understand sophisticated concepts like kinetic theory of gases. How when you heat a gas, let's see, you add kinetic energy and the temperature goes up. In fact, if you add too much heat, it actually overpressurizes the system, and it actually releases the pressure by blowing the lid off. And now you have to observe again how the pressure comes down. And there are lots of things happening here. So this is really, this tool is extending the learning goals. This tool is actually allowing the student to experience working with a tank that's being heated, with a pressure gauge, reading a temperature gauge. There are other measurement tools that are available. You can actually measure the volume of the gas. You can actually change a bunch of parameters. So there's a lot of choice here. Another thing, you can easily reset this. So again, this tool has exceptional potential. It earned 18 points in it earned 2 points in every category. And so I definitely want to use this tool to extend my classroom learning and goals. Thank you for watching.